My lovers, families, and fellow farmers around the world, it is time for serious business. I told us the last time, or if you have not watched the video, or maybe I did not post it. The rain has started, and I want to start harvesting my palms. I'm harvesting my palm fruits today. So I'm about to sharpen my knife, or my machete as the case may be, my cutlass. Now this is how we harvest it in this part of the world. In other places there are means of harvesting it, but here in this part of the world, this is how we harvest, and this is how we sharpen our machetes. So let's go. Please and please, if at any point in time you come across my videos, you find them informative, educative, and above all what engaging, you should help us to turn on the post notification bell, turn on the subscribe button and the post notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video, just like this one that you're about to watch now. So let's go. I'm going to be taking you guys through all the processes. From here, we are moving to the harvest, to the field, to the harvest field. You know, understand? So let's go. Without much further ado, let's sharpen this machete for effective harvest. It's coming. Now, in the business of harvesting palms, if you're using this machete to harvest, where you should focus your sharpening, you will sharpen everywhere. Yes, if you look at in the video now, you see it's coming, but you need to focus more here, because this is where it's basically used in harvesting. You don't understand, but I'll still show you guys in another video. So stick to this video, and if you watch this video to this extent, that means you're finding my videos informative, educative, and then engaging. What you need to do for us is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, and then make sure you share this video. At least hit a like, give this video a thumbs up, turn on the share button, and turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. It is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka, and Josie Agric. I don't like my videos to be too long. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.